Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another Click Look video where I quickly look at various art books and art magazines. And everyone is here with us today because we're all really excited because we've got some new Dean Yeagle books to look at, who is fast becoming my most favouriteest artist. So I've already looked at Scribblings 2 and 3, and these are art books full of sketches. I love these. I'll put links in the description to these other books, but these are directly from Dean Yeagle himself, which I think is amazing. I managed to email him after doing those other videos, and he's got some more books in stock. So what I've done was I bought a couple. These are a couple of Scribblings books, some of the other ones, but there's also another book in here which is filled with his Mandy character, and Mandy's got a little cat character as well. I'm so excited for these. I can't wait. We've got a piece of cardboard. A little piece of cardboard. That's funny. Oh, I've got to show you something else as well. My little character, little Sophie, I was meditating yesterday and this idea popped into my head of having little Sophie have a little Dennis, which I thought was cool. This is just a little quick sketch so I don't forget. But my little Sophie, she's going to have a little Dennis, which I thought that was fun. I thought it was fun. Yay! So we've got Scribblings 1, Scribblings 6, and Mandy and Skoots. Little Scootsy, look. Oh, that's amazing. Little Sophie's got little Dennis. Little Mandy's got little Skoots. Quite cool. I'll look at that one last. I think I'm going to start with Scribblings number 1. And who's going to join us for this one? I think we're going to have Peter the Penguin for this. Little Peter. Little Peter. So Peter's got to open this one. We've got pin-up girls, puppies, twerps, lots of little things. So we get lots of little characters. Oh, I've got dragons as well, and fishies, and also a little Mandy character. So this one's a blue one. I like the blue one. The blue one's very nice. Where's the other ones? The first one was white, number 2 was red, and this one is blue. They look quite nice like that. What colour is number 6? 6 is like the brown. That's quite cool, that. So let's have a look. Little Peter's got to open it up. That's one of the rules. One of the rules. Yay, look. He said he was going to sign it as well. He signed it. And he's also done a little sketch, look. A little sketch for me. He done that just for me. That's unique. Little Sophie. Got little Mandy. This is a book of sketches, preliminary drawings. 2003 this one come out. 2003. I love the energy he gets in his sketches. I've actually found a video online, which I'll put a link to in the description. Look at the bum on that. Look at the shapes of the legs as well. It's the shapes. It's the shapes and the energy. That's what I love. But something else as well. Somebody said in one of the comments on one of the other videos, in his coloured drawings, Dean Yeagle changes the colour of the lines. So blue lines for blue things, pinky red lines for pinky red things. And I never noticed that until they said about that. That's something I love in... who was it? I think it was Leia Lopez. She did that in her drawings. And Asia Ladolska. These are beautiful. And fun. Really fun. I'll put links in the description. Look how fun these characters are. They're so fun. So fun and sexy. Lovely shapes. I like that one. I'll put a link in the description though to that video, because it's about an hour and a half and you see Dean Yeagle doing little drawings. So you get to see how he does it, which I think's cool. Love the energy of that one. Ding ding. I wonder who these people are, if they're from his imagination or... Oh, look at that. That's cool. Oh, that's lovely, that. That's really nice, that. Oh, I love that one, look. Cool. Oh, funny. These are fun. I love dragons. Look how beautiful she is, look. I love sketches. Sketches are my favourite. Sexy but fun. Sexy but fun. Yeah, I love stuff like this. She's nice. Little super quick people sketches. That's fun. Oh, beautiful. Yay, look. I love that one. Little connection going on. Very sexy. That's a fun one. Look at this one here, look. Oh, I love the little texture there, look. I like that. Look at that as well, look. You've got shiny and fluffy. Beautiful. Oh, look at this little... That'd be fun to copy, like a sketch. Look at these I love the energy. Very playful. I would love to. I want to find out. I want to find out more about Dean Yeagle. That's what I want to do. Look at these. How beautiful they are. See, that to me is like perfection. It's really sexy. I was going to say I want to interview Dean Yeagle because I've got so many questions for him. I want to know what he uses for reference. I've got so many questions. Funny. Very funny. I like these little... Those were in the other ones as well. Cool there. Look at these two though. I love these two. Oh look. I like that. Sexy again. So sexy. Lovely poses. Oh, that's fun. Size of these boots, look. Little dragons. They're fun. Look at that, look. Lots of detail and then it just disappears into nothingness. That's cool. Little creatures here, look. Like a family of crazy people. They're quite cool actually. I can imagine them sort of going on little adventures or something. Oh, look at at that, the shapes. Yeah, basic shapes. Big fun basic shapes. These remind me a bit of Bert Dodgson. Bert Dodgson in his book, Keys to Drawing, a lot of his work was like that, very, yeah, just very raw. It's good because you're capturing just the essence really. Look at that. Nice round and then nice balance of shapes. Oh, I like this. Fun. That's a fun one. Oh, look at that one up there, look. He's cool, he is. I like these two. That's why I got the other book with little Skoots. Sexy. Oh, I like that. Friends, look. Oh, that's actually beautiful. That might be my favourite, I think. Very clean, crisp. That's nice. That's funny. Look at that, look. It's like being blown. Again, really good at capturing energy. These are nice. Funny. I like that one. Oh, that's nice. Nice expression. Oh, cool. I like that. Very friendly. Little Mandy. You can actually buy statues of Mandy. They're very rare though to find and expensive. Oh, I love it when they do that. I love it when you have feet coming away from the shoe. There's something very sort of cute about that. There's that little shape there, little space. It's one of my favourite things. Fun little characters. That's nice. I've never seen somebody with such amazing sketches all the time. Look at this one here, look. Oh, that's lovely. You can feel the weight of that fabric as well, going over her leg. Nice shapes. That's funny. Oh, look at that there. Beep beep. Really nice shapes. Little fishy. Oh, love that. That's finished, look. It always goes so quickly with Dean Yeagle. There's his little website. Caged Beagle. That's where you can buy these books from. That's where you buy them direct from Dean Yeagle, which I think's... Oh, I love that one. I think my favourite one was... Where was that one? I love that one. I like the one with little Skoots. Yeah, these ones. Oh, I think that one might be one of my favourites. That was beautiful. Little Peter, he really enjoyed that. Look at this, I love that. I've got a little sketch. That's amazing. Thank you. I'm going to go do the other one now. What are we on to now? I'm going to look at Scribblings 6. Yes. Hope you enjoyed that though. Look at Scribblings 1 by Dean Yeagle. My chair sounds like it's farting, look. Wonder if you can pick it up on the microphone. That's quite funny.